Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. We're looking to see the high tension line activity, the power lines above us. They've been working along this road, changing out some of the power poles over the last 2 weeks. Let's see what they're up to today. Plenty of warning. They're picking up their kids from the school here on the right. I'm going, alright, he says slow, so that means I can go. I'm watching. Okay, we're going slow. That's in case somebody steps out. You're not doing 50 miles an hour and you can't stop. There's a power pole to the left. It looks like they're taking one out and putting another in. Now look up and you can see the orange on the power lines on the pole on the right side and on the left side, up there. It's where they've been working before. So they've been coming along this way from further down toward Franklinville progressively. See how there's two poles there, one's cut off now? See how the orange up top there? I think that means they'll be coming back to do something further. There's a new cross arm up there. They still got the shield up on that one. There's a sign here to warn them ahead of time. Look up on the power pole here. You can see the new orange lines and yellow lines. So they were working down here like a week ago. Okay, Steve AB4L, just being nosy, saying see you at 73.